yankale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yigakurigiriria amabati yiga ntubwate etime etembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende gensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare yechikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asimigo babwate boomerang ayuare ayechigage emerongetato asa mabati ali ayechigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago tena roman jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabonelia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya sigika ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya ouru superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya ouru complex imiyumucho yigo busongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbwata hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, omboi. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza dogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi uko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Mugusi nere tukorukwa bono into twensi tore abagusi no gotebunga kero mugusi boka osi atoka mugusi akanyora abana batano na matano nomo asabaiga batano nomo mugusi akanyora Ibere akanyora keore nombero mwabo Ibere uga asabwo nogotebanga agekora akuru yokurukwa ogichonchoro muruga akanyora umwana ukuruka mubasi yiga ninkekora akuruka mubasi ngase oko nyenye ngombe yae ngombe butambege kubaswa basige kubaso kurunsa korende mubasi iga nko yebasa kurwo mugongo nogotebyenga aiga negekora akurukwa umubasi osimubasi yiga semubasi nigabwate chinyomba chikubwati ogetaulio oyubwate nyumba gochakera 15 gwika 20 awatebanga abuno abagetaulio bagotoka oitangare igabwate chinyumba isano nabwo abaitangare bagotoka nabo basige oyubwate chinyumba isano nebere ase omugano bw'omugusi abo nabo kobatebinga ikaransa oiketo kumanye enari nyumba entangani eritobatebya ase omugano bw'omugusi karansa oiketo kobanye kurwa ase chingongo ao ime na isko ya gusi abasake baito baberere kurwa ase omucho Nairobi nabo gwikiraga iga kwene kyanga kera elimo lya gwikire buna lya korekanire kurwa ase chinsemo ase nsemo yemanyerio akorokwa Ven Nyaboke nchinkoroka Mkate. Enock, karibu karoto chaka Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere tariki
10.
Aboro kigwabe chinasari ase county ya Nyamira gochaka konywero ngoli yo mugavana we county ya Nyaribo.
Bae msiye twachorete. Korera anya pundu masinani ya korera Nyamira county ngima.
Ona bantu tukumetie kibarabiga ndikase tawuri yeto.
Abanyamira mbirengero likibabwate ase ogotatoera kuburai bwe bungeyo.
We are able to verify so many products just using the system. But remember, our customers who may not be privy to the system, we have our website.
Kiumbe kelege kuligererio buye bwe bintu bigotumeka na mwanya bantu ke britko lyarero gya korobanya bibwe bintu bikonigwa ase chiduka ase omochie obosongo. Nigoto chaka korwa ase county ya Nyamira karonko tebia sensebe manyirilio igakorwa Wilson Makori na Mkate Enock. Mugabana bwe county ya Nyamira nigo aikiranirie eira yaye guchakuba abana ba enasari ose PP1 na PP2 na play group entoge korwa erongoli. Mugabana yo kubwaterana ne kyombekelie kya Rockville Foundation Olitkolia lero bachake bene omurubiri yo ase okwigoretinga igihugu kigusi obosie obwabana be county yo ba yo
Amatuko 53 aerire gesa umugabana bwe county ya Nyamira guchakia omuroberio bwogosegeta amasomo ase abana bagosoma ase birasi bya ECDA weterase okubabwatukira eronkori eyo erendo bunyamanzi guchakira etamweye ya kabere nigo rero eserikali ye county ya Nyamira bakubwatirana ne kiombe kya Rockville Foundation banyora etinga eyo era chego cha gosia obosie werongori ejiga
Kidogo tu utarana.
Kukwana kurase amagacha manene ye county ya Nyamira nigo muwaziri w'ekisemi imeye county ejiga Emiri Onkaga ateba guchakira etarike yemo yomutienio gocha nigo aborokiwa ba ECDA barachake kwegwa erongori ejiga ase chisukuru chiabo.
Education is a default function, so therefore we are partnering with the Rockefeller and other partners so that we can ensure that your promise that you gave to the residents of the county government of Nyamira is actualized by 1st of June, the way you promised. So that is why we are here to receive that mila and kick off the program.
Elsemo yayo mugavana Nyaribo otebire mahiga yabo konyora etinga eyo kurwase kiombe ekyo kya Rockville Foundation nigo baragenderere kubwatirana amana barabwo eryo abana bakeboigo konyora oboroso bya kurwa ebirasi bya inze.
Rockville Foundation ibara partners baito badogonya as technical side yoko gera Enock tutata kwa abana ebe possible. According to the county, okay, you want experience. ende batorete iritingaga kegora kini bato promises support ujakiro mutinyo kukianda
Chingaki ichocho nigo muskenya ribo agenderera gotogia igetambukiro ikiiga giokorenta erokori ase chisukuru agoteba nigo kirache gokonya abange ase gutwara obochenu obuya nonyera ase amagima abo
asa abantu bari baito out na uji irerikayo akine abarikayo rende mwana otabwatikinga kulikanga mwaki aigetoyo na abwata lakini tererikayo kobe gatore 45 to dana kobe gatore nutrients ile chikonyo mwana akine nechinguru umobere nabongo whatever so the reaction of the school jimoto ngeka baraisi kubwate bitazo
Hingo ripotera Getembe kurasa magacho amanene ye kaunti ya Nyamira ayagotoka imeye bunge ya West Mugirango nje Fatgad Isemba
Senate nigo yatebire buna ebikaro bya bunge mashinani bigokorwa ase county ya Nyamira asokwenekia okungusana kororo tieji bunge Ibere chicheo karekana nigo irima mincha imagega yo ogokwana ase marogoba ya lero ase bunge ye Senate ase umuchio o Nairobi unatukumanya
3. That the decision and resolutions made by the impeached Speaker and members of the County Assembly that convened outside the gazetted presence of County Assembly are null and void. That the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission investigates appropriation and spending of public resources by the impeached Speaker and group of members of the County Assembly that held meetings outside the gazetted presence of the County Assembly, and that the Clerk of the County Assembly surcharges and recovers all allowances and funds paid to the impeached Speaker and the group of members of the County Assembly who conducted business outside the gazetted presence of the County Assembly.
Roboti urokorwa ase bunge ye Senate na rurogotoira ase ribori riri tukuria rero ero karoto kuboria nga ine gwikariri bunge ya Nyamira iraratere gutomerana ase bunge nene na kuba abamenyi bense meyo amagendro gwikariri bunge ya Nyamira iraratere ase gutomerana ri kuba abamenyi ba Nyamira amagendro turikire richibuliao ochakane rietariao asokorwa neri chibuliao gochiase namba enoti isano na Ibere isano nemo inye isano na Ibere isato isano nemo isano na Ibere 0726 447367 0726 447367 gose namba yure ase TV yao Boigo na botori karagwetera ase umtandao oito o Facebook Getembe TV na boigo YouTube Getembe TV ase ratunyare kubwatia ayo buna onsi ale takubolinga ngwe kaliriri bunge ya Nyamira erara terere ase ogota leta amagenda gusagwikirana ebimanye ebikaro bye county yo elio abamenyi bensemeyo ase amagendro na wikiragabo kiratwanyodera libori elio nigotogotenga kubwatikana kungsana okukwabeire ase county gose bunge ye county ya Nyamira bamenyi be county ya Nyamira nigo babere bakurwa ebirengerelio ao igoro yokorateroko gose yogotaigwana noko gati ba MCA abo nomo speaker gosa abanogeria abo babere bare ase county eyo saketo fat gad gisemba nigo atwariganiria chiroboti icho korwa ase abamenyi be county ya Nyamira
abamenyi be kaunti ya Nyamira besokirie na korwa ebirengerero byabo kubwatikana no kungsanana okwo kwaberego kwenekiwa ati yaba MCA ba Nyamira wika okobaroro wechibunge Ibere
aki abantu baminto tukerua tukabakorera buya tukababeka ime lakini bono mwakorera amachesa amatindi pi ekerongo tikurarengereria iguru yaba emusie ba minto n'abayamuri nande twabachorete tukeruka tukabachora tukatiga abandi tukabachora ekero twabachora tukege na abatwachora wikabachiko tukorere gasi bunetakeire ono yamanyire wikirase gasi bono twabachorete kumbe twabachorete muchikungusana gukia oyatagete oyari nabaye
nonya nigo ibakwaneire ogwanjireria gwensemo eyemo anene ase bikaro biria bya bunge mashinani ase bigokorerwa
twari kwaniko bulinga mashinani ye bagokora ebakonyakora ase chigwodi cyabo cyoka kyaronyekere bunge ya Nyamira igobabwene tokora township toigo bakorire bunyamatuta toigo bakorire busamaro bugichora tali abakorera ali ase boka bare chigwodi nye cyoka na chibago toterie budget ya Nyamira county otwale kwani kubolinga abachumba ba MCA twachorete korera anyapundu mashinani nyakorere Nyamira county ngima
ona abantu tukumeti kibara bigandika se tawuni yetu ya Nyamira egekora no isukurigereria maene pi amagendera tayo nonya
ensemo yende niga bamenya bayiga waichaneire ogutabaroro kwa magenderero korwase aba MCA gesa basoa abisi egento batebire bono na maiso babaete
bagendere tukubara matuko bamanya narenga tigaire kyagera tubwata amachibwa abo timati kosengo bara bakale bone ebungeje sinyete onya bagosinyuka babungeine kakibono naende mbarengerera kintu bachoronye basinyuruka babungeine
ebange buyapi buneri agakora Nyamira yabayose mnisi etari kororekana etari koigweka
esibika bono mokungusana mokobona nisibika mokobo isibika ngi kisibika mokobona ni abakunse isibika kete abasibika kete
tu agerete
umuntu agete mondo nga esibika kete na tu agerete egento mwale bakolekia igino nyine tibi tu sibika rende tigaba bonse babera abamukoza kumusana ngera arabatika igino
gobone egento katulire 2027 gaste ye akoliruga iga naende bonse buna bariga igo tuligerereti bonse bagende kapi obugambi tochoro obuya
kubwatekana nayaiga ebasabire omugabana omuske Amos Nyaribo koria chinchira chindonge na koretamo aba MCA bonsi erio omwanainchi anyore amagenderero
nainchi barerire bono ase ng'encho yogwakana tax chabo ase gasi etari gokorwa igo ekero chielibere chikurwana nobunyansi bokomia iyo ori omwanainchi okawaida konali gosaba omugabana Nyaribo alae county yuya atubeko bongaini ili bakonye Nyamira county
chingaki echecho baganirie omoseneta kwe county ya Nyamira omuske Ekeonga omugeni kogenderera gokora emiremo yaye boikiranu
ichigo kibago tumeka kokora bunga mashinani na ba county assembly ichigo kibati ete dibajeta senate nkibata bete kula senate papanda kokorega nteka ndubuna bana yitu aberto komia sana nchigo ngotebya omoseneta ito akongo mogeni otene ne farm eli ndororenga Nyamira yagororokire nande yaberege kokora egento kelito chora taba mche bagokora
hingo reporter Getembe korwase ebunge eyeiga ya West mugirange yegotoke niye county ya Nyamira njefatikada isemba
egati abamenyi kurwase county ya Nyamira nigo bagendete kugikeria okobagekana kwa aba MCA we county eyo yoate abanigo endete kore maria ogocha amo kwa koreta amagendro ase abamenyi be county ya Nyamira kuria rero nigo bagendere kuburia muna abarai ao ni wente gwikaransa na korokereria kia gyokubwatana elio gocha amo na gusiria ogotaigwana oko.
Actually, gente que están en cabeza, diría Senate ya recomendia, ngawanda waira na se county assembly Nyamira, elinde liba kwa kogoro. Kuna bana inchi ntu ago Getemon, bakagera ngabono, wetera se direction area. Ngoja kwikaransa bale ngamo bayiwana elinde liba kolega asiama kwatokolera magenda. Nambe ya mabantu baminte bakulira mono ikiagera no en magenda randa ya kolekire, tokakagera ngansa chinde nasingeje yichisege kiri abaska bango je barambo bayiwana. goikera boniga igorekera twarigerete nande tukaigunga bado mbunge mashinani bantu mbaya se county assembly na watu abete no goichana okonene tukakumyanga ingi kegenderete onyandiri yale kunyarikana onyandiri twae wenjiringi yokolikoli abasikaba bonse mune community ntwe tware gwanja kugitubali koli bagichenga tochole assembly enya elinde lya bantu bagenda batokorere igo bono onyandiri banja obosemya bwana egonda gitego semya umusike egavana yaitamusinyali ere buno mugaka ekero umugaka orasenga abana kabakorwana aye turi kogenda ukire ego kubwata twarangiria abana bari numanyito umwana uyu oro mudirigo limono numanyito uyu oro muororo numanyito uyu oro mukarakali uko barangiri ubaikaransinse ubatebiyaya ese igiteringiya engera tobwana takomenya bunenga ne family neri gendo ndete gwapili gocha saba MCA baito egas tu abatomete no kogenda baetia machiko babekanamo chiwesa chikirimboge chichije chikoreme korigere linga nyare bogocho tuomani inungi mogwanjera mutuomani egende ketangani kabisa basikaba igabatumye birangera byabo buja batumye chisemi cyabo buja baikaransense baigwanane imirime yakoreke
yabona abanyonge basumbukire cyane kabatete pakora magendera kulire bahakire chimbuna batwarire chipati Ibere bano ndu bwangire kubagayana tubonera yakire kuamererania aneli ukabakobuna bone tosinjire
igabaligire lyo tu abachorete bacho tokolera magendero unabona for example barangari wakese na tirura ali Nairobi tukaraba igwananire iya tutamite nandi bakire na tiga basanga mu bakolire bunge iri yabo yabere nero bakunywa maruto gwite batumire mitandao onye batumirwe batagotiga bairane gucankaga okay nuyu kabatembe tinga ki kabe pati yemusa gutiga 2027 ningarere bulayimbura aika tiga batokorera amagenderero
igo abonchereria a koroso mucho bosongo nigo ba rule birengere byabo nagoteba buna morai okoria ekerogo kyoborai bwensi kigo 27 ate igoba mo ragire biara omo jumbe borgongo gosebwe constituency ya South Magirango soso na tike nande achamo awaterna bagusibande ase okwenda kia buna ekeroge kyoborai bwachire ase orgongo rosige ochika 2027
Matiangi power! Matiangi power!
Nekerero kyogosemeria kurwasa abamenyi bense ya Kenya abonchoria kurwasa ichiro ya marigiti imeyo mu cyubusongo ngobono bagenderete gwakera ekoko okoraria omurembe imejense nabaigo amaskani gocha sabantu bonsi
injasa marietane igonkoro kumesha kiyoge koru Kisii market ande nondo muraibu town ma yaito ya bosongo abantu baminto ngote batore matianyasi kwe ngote batore matianyasi kwe
Mheshimiwa Matiang'i anafaa aheshimiwe kabisa juu sasa ndio mtu wetu, hata sisi tumeona na ndio tunategemea. Kwa hiyo Matiang'i afanye nini?
Aheshimike.
Gukonera maskani gocha asojo kabire mu waziri w'oburendi bw'eme Dr. Fred Matiang'i uyibono orokiriye ganga yae yokuchukuranire kerogo kyoborai wense aso mwaka gosoba chori bulwesyo umwaka w'ikiro 2025 na Ibere igabasae baboliwe kolija enguba yabo ya siasa
akara tuwa mosikire nonye nabana baito bali barese chinyomba babeire myaka gwetani 18 bosi babwateki
ebibande tugotokwa emisaba ngina bosi pi abarega ya kiro mwato mwana ubwate myaka 18 kiro monda abwate ibande agara tuwa akachukura oyo tabwate kabara tomokorenga ki
abwatire ibande una ntuomo gusi twezi pito ko bera Matiang'i Josi amuitabire egasi alingi nigakote egasi engiya ekagera bakenya banzi bakamwancha akabera education agakole egasi engiya akabera intiri agakole egasi engiya
kinga kyechecho nigo bano baboliri abarai bage siasa kurwa sorgongo rwa gusi anene bali ase serikali gutwara ubwanchani bunabana bamo
atebiri Mheshimiwa Osoro Asikengo
Matiang'i
Asikengo
Matiang'i
igato bateba Osoro no mojumbo korokwa Chabet no mojumbo okoro kusairi chanda na kitogo tema
osoro sikamati yangi kwa chikuru akabo mojumbe kwa ndio kiroga alibunge togo sikomo kusiomino.
Komenta nayo ni gobano baburiye serikali kurigereria ogokora kwa matemwa uchasabarokiwa anene bo mwako yoiga.
Kwa CS wetu wa education tunaomba sisi mama mboga mulituambia ni mama mboga ni boda boda. Saa hii mmeturuka mnataka tutafute pesa ya mtihani, tunatoa wapi? Hakuna.
Tulisikia ule ambaye anasimamia kiti cha education alitangaza wazi eti mtihani pengine utaenda kufanywa. Kwa hivyo tunaomba wazazi wanasubiria mtihani ya watoto kwa sababu wamechukua watoto kwa mwaka mzima.
Kuripoti ligatoseni kiao na mbeye mokia Getembe kuroiga asomo chobosongo literana igonkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Asante sana Dipon Asanya korwa bwase obugategati bomochi obosongo. Nababoria iswali ngo ikaliriri ekaunti ya Nyamira erabe kegotoka kiratirete ase ogotaigwana kwabo na gutwara ebikaro amo kurende bintu mokolika Facebook aho bigoji byago sinyanga liswa nabone nga elibokwira nikuruga Josephat Nyamongo. We must have experienced people from Josephat Nyamongo, Bondi Natega from Nairobi. SCF Action Against Anger. Ruth Roda gaki Ruth agolike emotionally abata banga chibasi chirungo lya talenge ko bakande fie bitabu ne chikaramu Banyamira tubabu atinguru chokoro nababero ngoli wende mbirengo tiganti gerega esengenjo ngana kiti gansoma chi SMS nke eyim Facebook nana nabokole Facebook ya Getembe TV go YouTube ito bado Getembe TV. Debi Nyanchama awante Mkate esiekwe igesiekwe mondera na sobo agara ba kuiwana na kero mondana de mago kara kero monda. Thank you Debbie from Nairobi because of that. Son of a woman kura kitutu masaba okero agendenka egekogera tamanyitigas yaye tari mokonyi bwe governor. Yes, there was no way Nyamira County will heal from what is going on through because kila mtu anajidai kuwa mwerevu kuliko mwingine. Charles Osoro Omotubwenga. Thank you baba. Asinge nchoigo abunkuru rugoroga bunokoriko. Then Jackson Samoka Koreironde Kisii County. Ogotebanga tiga esiriwe era nto Kisii County egere ogembo ebe a county. Okay, ono ba attack. Onsarigo from Kisii County mechandra Nyamira County nesegi ya governor na senator mugeni asu mwaka o 2027. Yes. And then abajumbe ekara abajumbe baratige gosegeta emekutano ya botuko nero etigwe rori Nyamira nabeo ekoba engia. Kwa ndanda gosoma chi SMS chao gwetrasa 07 2644737. Kwa ndanda gosoma munora bigo kondike karon koboli nga. Chi SMS ni nyinge dali nga chiara go chiri chinyinge nande chinyinge. Lakini ndende ekara tokwera ntakuwa tuna azidi ko chisoma kurugabu ase kagetari getambe koira nande ko koendra korwabo ase Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere Toska.
Eduka yobo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo cross chirangi meyense ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoroisia ebintu biria bikomanya segeka ngokwanira chirangi ekyo boigo chire chichi brand ao ekyo chire chingia kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa ime yenyumba iziko yenyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiria chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri korwase chire chiri guririke iriria gatigati wekariguri ria bantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na gwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyoerangane duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angane bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera ase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
nigo ekiombekeri gikurigereria ebintu bigotumeka na mwanyabantu use obuya bw'ebintu bigotumeka na mwanyabantu keps kuria rero bomerana asumu chibosongo rikurigereria ebintu ebyo na kibire bya na gusanga n'abamenyi benseme yiga igoro yo gutumeka ebintu bitaraerwa n'echinga kimusakite Daniel Ontiri nigagotomanya
Inse ye wizara ya mangana yobonjoreria gose investment trade and industry asoma boganio yomo ime yomo chobosongo abo bisa kuru ya bisi yokorigirira ebirengo by'ebintu au ye manyekanite buna Kenya Bureau of Standard Caps nigo barigania egikaro nabo bwatani kuru chi sector au asigikaro gyakoreka asobo gatagati bomo chobosongo kurigiriria na gusangirira ebirengereri byabo iguru buna barachi gutingia sector yo egitambokero abo bisa baiga abayeneke buna nkere nengenchenene.
We are also adhering to the principles of standardization, which include consensus. We are ensuring consensus at every stage. We are also adhering to openness as one of the principles of standardization, coherence, where we ensure that the draft or the standard that we are coming up with does not conflict with any other existing document or regulations or other standards. Also, there is a very important principle that we are observing, that is openness. That is where we are here to tell you this. We are currently drafting this standard. Please, let us take it as our collective responsibility to ensure we come up with a standard that is robust and acceptable in the motor vehicle industry as a solution.
Korengana na barabo kugania kororo gwokonyora boyeberengererio kurua sabatumeki bamachiko egati abo bobisa bobosombi Walia abo boncholia egati yabande abalira guchako eneke buna ebirengererio byabo byatumikire hase kamiti yokorosia machiko igoro yebirengo byebinto.
We'll have their inputs taken care of, and we'll have our final draft standard that will go now to the Standards Council for approval, and the process now will be taken to the minister in charge. We will now go ahead and do gazettements, and a period of 6 months will be given for the public to absorb and understand what is supposed to be implemented, and then now it will be enforced.
Ugutumika kwe mitandao yekerero asokoro cia masakara y'obulimo ne chiarama chekiombekega negati yarebo igakwanirwa Obamenta bona mbabegetumukia koenekia bakagirwa bo tibali gocha kogendera gosale sector yo aso kobeka emero buli mikerenu gosire bikore byo.
Generally right now in terms of identification of genuine products and fake products, we are able to verify so many products just using the system. But remember, our customers who may not be privy to the system, we have our website, and through the website also, it is very easy for our customers to be able to verify on their own what is genuine, what is not genuine. Other than identification of genuine products, through the same system, through the website, a lot of information is provided, which now assist these customers to get the services which they require from cabs without necessarily physically walking to cabs.
Kurengana nabo bisa baiga boyo kugania nkororo gukoene kibuna kende gyonsyo kugura gose gutumeka kebwenete kebochano na mono chindagira nebinyuwa asa abantu batalinse ye maika 13 ukuboli wabo igo kwabe kwase kigali chimachine nebinto binde ao haiga Kenya no nyembiria bikuru ase Chinsa chisiko koene kibuna mbirigererie na gwetigwa ne kiombeke iga Nkulubuthirigeta seni kia Getembe kuruya se kaunti ya Kisii litrene nguruko Daniel Untiri.
Bienvenido Daniel Untiri kurasa muchie obosongo na kereki kyo karataraso muchie obosongo nigo abamenyi bensemo ya jogo ne chinsemo chie tanaine litkulia lero banyora obulingolia nogo segetwa nabo igogosemiwa ngenche baraba komenya kurwa ase enyagitari ya kanyimbo kubwateraneli ya life care kurwa sumuchi all the red mosakito nabo igo moteneli bwa mangana maya ase egetasini kiga Eric nigo ikasensemiyo na kwenda kianga otaretere ilimo aselinde kurwa sensemiyo.
Ninafuraha sana kwa siku ya leo. Hospitali kuu ya Life Care iliko kule Eldoret imeweza kushirikiana na hospitali ya Kanyimbo ambayo iko hapa Jogoo Estate, Kisii County. Tulikuwa na matibabu ya bure ambayo tumeweza kusaidia wakaaji wetu wa Kisii County na kaunti zingine jirani. Baadhi ya matibabu tuliweza kuwa nayo, tulikuwa na daktari wa mifupa ambao tunaita orthopedic surgeon, tulikuwa na daktari wa macho, that's ophthalmologist, tulikuwa na internal and family medicine au daktari wa nyumbani na dawa za familia. Vile vile wagonjwa wameweza kufaidika kwa free medical camp, wameweza kuscreeniwa, wameweza kupewa madawa kwa wale walikuwa na stahili wapewe madawa.
Today we are hosting a free medical camp at Kanyimbo Hospital in conjunction with Life Care Hospital from Eldoret. We are targeting to bring the much needed specialist services to the community, to the local community here in Kisii. We have managed to see quite a number of people today, almost more than 200 people who are majorly from the local community. The main purpose of this camp was to bring specialist services to the people of Kisii and the Lower Nyanza region. We were offering purely specialist consultation services for free. We had our lab tests being done for free. We had x-rays and we had also fluoroscopy services being offered for free. This is about the medical camp at Kanyimbo Hospital, which is based in Kisii, Jogoo area. This has been arranged or organized together with Life Care Hospital. Life Care Hospital is based in Eldoret. We have an understanding hospital to hospital where we collaborate and we synergize the strength. Kanyimbo is a new hospital, recently registered with Kenya Medical Council, which is last year. And in February we were able to be incorporated or accredited to social health insurance. And currently we are able to do minimal services like inpatient admission, patient consultation, especially when people require specialized care. At Kanyimbo we have 2 medical specialists
One is a geriatric, meaning he looks at elderlies. The other physician is focusing on kidney diseases, or what you call kidney problems. But both can be able to see people with medical problems, generally cutting across all body systems. We also have 2 surgeons, myself, an orthopedic surgeon focusing on mainly knee and hip joints, or people with fractures and back issues, and people with limb deformities.
Ekero twakore kora sorogongo ruagusi nigotokende masemo mpakaso mochie o Nairobi aburi tkolia rero ase ebunge ye senate yabari ngaki Chinkongu ekero omo senator we county ya Nairobi bagoro muri kyomonene be kyamagia ODM bataigwanana na liorochiriara na kikwa ase ebi karabie bunge yo gatiyo moske Sifuna na boigo omoske Haron Cheruiyot oyore murai bwabange ase ebunge eyuye senate.
Directed by my party leader to be nicer. And I'm going to try my best.
Ebunge ye senate rero ase ebikarobia ebya mambi nigo omuspika bwebunge ye oye ore omo senator bwe county ya Garissa Abdul Mohamed Aji anyora chinga Chinkongu ekero omo senator o Nairobi oyore omo nyakero gobwe chama ya ODM Edwin Sifuna baina kiachi tofauti noyore omo raibu abange ase ebunge ye Haron Cheruiyot.
Senator Cheruiyot, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat.
Honorable Cheruiyot, you are just lucky that I have been directed to be nice. Otherwise, you would have seen the full wrath of Edwin Sifuna. Honorable Speaker, I want these demons who have been sent to tempt me to break the directive by my party leader to depart from me. Leave me alone.
Korengana na Sifuna nigo omuraibu abare abange Haron Cheruiyot amugerera kero arenge kukwana egento nonyana bo kiene kigwano muspika Haji asebono agikiria Cheruiyot.
Allow us to speak, majority leader. I am on the floor. Why are you heckling us? Why are you heckling us? This is not your house. Leader, this is not your house.
Majority
it is the house
leader.
For all of us.
Majority
and the
leader.
information that we have comes from the speaker.
Majority leader.
You can't heckle us all the time. Can
Majority
you throw
leader.
him out? Honorable
Majority
Speaker.
Leader. Order. Order.
Order.
Order.
No,
Order.
Honorable Speaker,
Order.
this is unacceptable.
Order, Senator.
Even if I was asked to be nicer, I will
Order,
not
Senator.
allow this provocation to continue.
You started heckling. Okay, then let's stop it at there. Let him. Senator Cheruiyot, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat, Senator. Take your seat. 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 Senator Cheruiyot, I will find you grossly out of order. You started heckling. You were heckling against him. You did not behave orderly yourself, Senator Cheruiyot.
Sifuna oyorekana gukwana n'obutindi iyo yairira omuspika komutabya asabo kwabera korende nigo akana.
But Senator Sifuna, you did refer to the senator as a heckler, which is out of order. If you could withdraw that and apologize.
Honorable Speaker, you are determined to turn me back into the old me. You yourself have said he was heckling. A person who heckles is a heckler. That is what you call him. Senator Cheruiyot of Kericho was heckling me. He's a heckler. You yourself have made that decision. I will not allow anyone to bully me in this house. I did not come here because of Cheruiyot's graces. I was elected by the people of Nairobi.
Omo Senator Sifuna obeire igatia baraibare ase echama ya ODM abwe bataka okiri no kubwatana kwa nikigwano muraibu nse Dr. William Ruto na boigo omuraibu chama ya ODM Raila Odinga.
Let me first begin by saying this thing called broad-based. I don't know where it exists. Personally, I don't recognize any entity called called broad-based. There is a government of Kenya Kwanza under the leadership of President William Ruto. Every cabinet secretary who serves in that government serves the Kenya Kwanza government.
Wangoigani go omosikira ila Odinga amukanya Sifuna igoro yugu kwa na serikali ya broad-based eyue asichintunda chinyinge atebire taya manyeti.
And the spokesman of the party is usually the Secretary General, Mr. Sifuna. When Mr. Sifuna speaks, he's speaking on behalf of the party. Mr. Sifuna saa ingine hapana kwa chungu sana.
Keraya akwene kigwani kikegendrete ase echama ya ODM. Gekogera ni gobono iga abaraibande bakubwatesia serikali ya broad-based na abande bakoyekana. Kuripoteria Egetasini Getembe TV, Chinsa Miyenda.
Taracho wasomera machibo wa unakwen konde karagwe terasa 0726447367 kwa tebi nazisoma zote Tuska na nyenidek.
Magaka ninjo, ninjo getembe, ninjo dorome, mangana man, bangina ninjo.
Mugusia tebete na ki poli engenda bobe mangana, engenda bobe ningo. Uri ora atari ruchiri uchibora buchiri uchiasigete na indoira na gocha. Oyobona engenda bobe. Uchira asigete na asigete ona abwate ngana bakabarumi. Na abwata kangana. Eneri na bwe komo chigote kogendera gote bana ki moseraibu. Mumincho limi tangana moseraibu no rio kirete nyomba rioka urio mincho litrimi ana bakogenda ache na gintu gite engane ina bere yemo nabu bungai ni bwa mukoro ntaro je maikaransa kera nguru na atenena takubuikera ubungai ni bwa mukoronto nabaga bakorukuna nguru cyanu kiri bari bakonga kongire muntu gakonga kongire ororira mangana nda mange na tukuruka nguru cyanu kire ubungai ni bwa gaikaransete oyo mwana nganero mwana mukana atenena takorora kende takunyara kubuikera bungai ni bwa mukoro ntaro je maikaransa musai na atenena ne musai na kera nguru takubuikera igo kige tugo tebanga ki boli ngenda boy mangana boli oli oraro le nande ba amaskani bali baroche ngamangana ayo abali ngenche kabireyo
Magaka ninjo, ninjo getembe, ninjo dorome, mangana man, bangina ninjo.
Kero ndoche biro byana bigonte ngamkate byari nganchere nsomachi SMS ose amauka make aikwa tulikerwe terase number 0726447367 nagwetani yabo na tuligererie bali balikire YouTube bake na Facebook bake kero ndoche Honorable Lutik sintomaruba korachinsa machege taragonte Mkate koraiga maambio chinkwa ibibuli bibere binene ogando sieke county ya Nyamira lakini Lutik it's okay. Just for the Rioba Kurukegati on Tebi Nyamira, Eroneto Sinyete, and then Ekero Tokora Charlotte Mwende, Naboigo Nerao Teba Mkate. Mambo ya Nyamira, shughulika nyinyi peke yenu. Ekero Togo Chabna Banangwe Teragoterase Omtanda o YouTube, Tiamnyoki SMS Nkego, John Omoyo, Awatabanga Senator Nyamoko, Uitire Nyamira PPP. And then we are tabang on tabing ambuya Nyamira siekwe emanyego chaki wobuya no bachori oyimageto Elijah Makori korokera PAG otamuchano Nyamira no museneta no mugabana bachamo na kobeka aba MCA amo enyora magenderero. And then we koroko Francis Onkoba korwa Emenwa Nyamira ebunwe seneta koranche konya Nyamira bakonya ke. Right, John Orina, Kurokenya Ambiti Kabaganda Batimuke, Tochora Buya, and then Nincha Tuti, Omugabana Nyaribo, Nero Guatama Chief Fred, Kurwa Ria Keroka, Governor Nyaribo, na former speaker, na Bubuate Emechan. And then from Nyamira County, let them all be recalled back home, starting from governor and those MCS, please. My name is Mary from Barabu Sub County. Led to the 2013 MCS assist Nyamira governor in leadership. bochoke machoka korwa ereru itumbe Nyamira nigo erabe buya ekero erasiekwe naliera chake gwe choka na kosikana. Edward member from Nyagachi, the assembly should be dissolved. Now IEBC is in place, right? Then kema korwa orina kem orina kurwege tukia bantu ba Nyamira niko babwenderete babune ebunge yabo bache Kisii County. Okero should be honorable, okay. Babadorin and out to save his face, and then Nyaboke Esirepi gucha we county kiagera tebwa tiabarai bagwenderete nainde eba salire lietario mugusi ase Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i korwa naitwa Josephine Kurwa Magena. Nabana ngo takogenda lakini my time is against me na nabana ngo takogenda ko kwana abuna aya na kwalike kurwa abura kinende asinge nchebiro Chinsa inye ntakuwa nasoma kwa ngana nabana aya kwalikire lakini for now ko tebyenga yanda kurigereria emerobili tokera chingaki na ndekero ngo tebyenga nindo chimna mondi kirete kurwa Facebook and then ina ando Facebook inugo mwamwa Facebook ba mukorika yoro yero ngoli to boleti yoro ye account akirende all in all Nyasaye nomia tigatumera na Chinsa inye ase Ekeonga Chinsa inye nane mya marasinge ncho yogo tegerera Getembe na boigo gusoncha TV eti Getembe buna ere enaro yaito debi nyancha matindeba ekaro notagete konte binga inuna kimogo teba intu na banyamira to intu Getembe kana kurugabu intu Getembe turkot we don't take sites. That is why we always stay here. Abasaki baito gochakera Dipon Asanya, Polycarp Ukara, Fat Gad Gesemba, Naboigo Daniel Ontiri, Nabuo Baine Kia Ngalit Kulialero, kwa nyolre buna ate kura Chinsemo Naboigo Eric Abuga, Mwekare editor de Aronero Minyoka, Otoretera Oroboti, Orokongu, Antenga Mambi Mkate, Otoke Gato Jadili ya Abajumba Baiga, Bae Wachipara. All in all, ayung kianda oyo ngasen sema yumanyelia akoroko Wilson Makuri. Nchinkuru kwa Mkate, Enock, both Korea.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo nabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nibwa amavuta yani oil ya wigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri lyabantabati wigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani gwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.